안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Watermelon season has come back and you might want to try to make something new with it. So let's make it something sweet and cool for a summer treat. This Korean style watermelon punch, SuBak WhaChae, is surprisingly easy to make yet super delicious. Prepare one medium-sized seedless watermelon, SuBak. We are going to use half of it in this recipe. By the way, do you have any special tips to pick a perfect watermelon from the store? If so, please share it with us in the comment section. In my case, I look for a dark watermelon skin color and big yellow spots on the bottom. Cut the watermelon in half horizontally. Then scoop out the watermelon with a special scooping tool or a spoon. Go ahead and dig out as much of the remaining watermelon as you can to make a watermelon bowl. Don't throw away the watermelon juice and chunks. You can eat them. Now the watermelon bowl is ready to fill with the watermelon punch. Combine the condensed milk, yeonju, with the milk, uyu. Stir it well until the condensed milk dissolves completely. Put all the watermelon spheres into the watermelon bowl. Add the fresh blueberries into the watermelon bowl as well. You can also put the ice cubes, autumn, on it if you're going to serve the watermelon punch right away. Pour the milk mixture over the watermelon. Finally, pour the syrup-mixed soda. You can also use similar flavored soda such as 7-Up, ginger ale, and so on. Gently stir everything once or twice and then serve. It is not only very refreshing and tasty, but also it looks cool. We've been spending a good time growing Korean seed and building our new garden this spring. It is a lot of work, but I believe it is totally worth it. We are experiencing different methods for gardening now, and hopefully we can share some tips in the future if we get good results from it. From our Korean Essence Etsy shop, you can pick your own Korean vegetable seed set or various vegetable seed sets that I already pre-picked for you. You can also buy individual seed packs from our 22 different kinds of Korean vegetable seed. So if you need, you can check it out and get some Korean seed for the fall season now. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye!